So,
How's it going?
it's going well. I
Got a glare.
I've been playing with the controls for the Denver Art Museum, and we wanted to make it really easy to play. So we're doing like a point and click. So when you touch the screen, the character walks to the place that you pointed, and you clicked on your screen.
Nice. Is this gonna be... This isn't for their...
Yeah, this is for mobile.
Oh, this is for mobile.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So they'll touch their screen with their finger?
Yep. Yeah, I haven't put any like sprites or anything, but where it clicks, I'm gonna generate a little like circle animation, so they know that that's where they clicked. So when they click there, you'll see a circle animation on the ground, and it'll walk to the circle. And you can keep clicking, and eventually there'll be like things that they can pick up. And when they get to the pickup thing, that'll play the animation when they get there. Put a little collider around the pickup item so that it triggers the animation. And I've been doing most everything through Unity's built-in animator. As much as I wish I could write my own state machines, it's nice that they sort of set up the state machine for you. So right now it's really simple. Basically, I'm saying this is its idle animation. There's a transition from idle to walk, and when that is true, it makes that transition. If that is false, then it goes back to the idle. And then so I have a little script that is handling the click and move, which is basically just a raycast to a plane, and where it picks up the raycast is where it moves the nav mesh agent. And the nav mesh agent is basically the capsule collider for the character that's handling the movement.
Are you gonna keep going on this one?
For a little bit, probably. I wanted to get some of this control stuff set up because Robbie and Buxton are going to start designing the UI. So yeah, I told them I would get the character controls figured out. So really, I'm just going to be working out the character controls. I have a few other other animations. I'm using Mixamo because I really love that they have sort of all these different things. So we've got a roundhouse kick. The roundhouse. Oh man. So there'll be this animation that we'll have for some of the features. And I think we're going to do kind of like an automated battle system. Like you'll have some controls to do specials, but I'll probably just write something that'll randomly play through certain animations. And then there's some sword ones. Like, oh, power slam. So those are all being worked out now, and yeah, well, this arm space needs to get figured out, but that's okay. So yeah, there'll be some cool sword moves, and we'll probably have mostly an automated battle system because the point of this is to have it be really easy to play. The adventure is to find the items that allow you to go into the real world and find real world items. So the game is really just a facilitation for the real world game. The main part of the game is to adventure and to find things. So the battle system will be really intuitive. So there's not much of a learning curve.
Where is she?
I put in random city assets. I don't know if we'll go with city. I think some of it might be city, but I mean, really these were just for me to be able to see how fast she's moving, because without reference to her position, it's really hard to tell if the walk is actually walking or if it's just a walk animation and it's moving really fast. So this was really just to like, for me to understand if the animations are matching the code. Just go, oh, I have to rebake the navigation map. That's one thing that I've noticed too, is like, it's very different. In Unreal, the sort of, it's the same concept. It's like the nav, I think in Unreal it's the nav mesh volume or something like that, which is basically the same thing, saying where the character can move. But I haven't set up any collisions for these buildings. So their collisions are basically a box instead of like matching the actual mesh. So you can't really like go around them yet. But I mean, that's all pretty easy to do. Day one.